Anyone need a transmission or torque converter? I have no idea why those are there. Anyway, what's going on? We are out here at the relay house again, which is still out of commission. I managed to get us back up and running though. I went to one of the neighbor houses and was like, hey, can I run an extension cable to your house? Ain't no shame in this game. But hey, gotta do what you gotta do, right? And luckily, the house that I went to actually has a well right in between the two houses with a power outlet on it. So that worked out pretty well. 300 feet worth of extension cable going over to the house. And I even got some little like extension cable connector protector thingamajiggies so it can't get wet or disconnected or whatever. You know, last thing we need is another stupid ass fire out here, right? So yeah, we're back up and running. Everything's chugging right along for now. Obviously this is only temporary, but the crazy thing is just how temporary it is. I don't know. I was talking to the relay house homeowners and they said that the insurance company actually booked them into their Airbnb until August. What? It doesn't make any sense. Instead of just fixing the shit and then investigating or doing whatever they want to do, they're gonna keep these people displaced while they investigate. I don't get that. That makes no sense. He said he even talked to an electrician on his own and he said, yeah, I know somebody with the parts in stock. I could have this fixed for you in a day or two. But instead, the insurance company wants to investigate while it's still burned down. I don't get it. The craziest thing about it, well, one of the craziest things, is that they have a pool, a very large pool, a very nice pool. Without electric, it's gonna turn into a cesspool, a pond. It's gonna get real nasty, real quick. So instead of, you know, fixing it, they're gonna, what did he say? He said that they were gonna come out, put a whole bunch of chemicals in it so nothing can grow it. You know, like basically make it acid. That way, while they investigate for the next 3 months or however the hell long, it'll just sit there and, you know, nothing will get too funky, but it'll still get pretty funky. Then after all is said and done, they're gonna send somebody out to drain it, professionally clean it all, refill it, and retreat it. What? I mean, thousands and thousands of dollars for that, when they could just fix it and get the power back on and be done with it, and then investigate. Take pictures, take video, you know, like I did. Shit, I showed everybody. They could go in there with a camera and document everything and then fix it. Instead, they want to waste time and money. I don't know why. It's almost like the insurance company's a government agency. They're so damn wasteful. So yeah, who knows how long we'll be out of power. For now, I got an extension cable run over there. I told him I'd hook him up with some internet. My installer's out of town until the 17th, so I can't do anything at the moment, but eventually I'll get him hooked up. He said he has a rental house over that way as well, so I'll hook them up as well for a month. Give him a little free internet. Why not, right? And to address some comments that I got regarding the big cables going into the breaker box and stuff, someone was saying that they're AC lines. I don't know. I'm going off what the firefighter told me. I don't know. I'm not an electrician or a firefighter, so hell if I know. They could be AC lines, they could be power lines, and beats me. The last investigator said that it appears that the fire was caused by an improperly installed AC unit. So I guess long story short, they don't know yet. That's the last I heard, was that it's a improperly installed air conditioner. He said the air conditioners were originally installed like 16 years ago or 15 years ago or something, and he wanted to get in touch with them, seeing if they had any records. And then he had new air conditioners installed, I don't know, a couple years ago or whatever. Obviously they're probably gonna have some questions to answer, but yeah, it's a big cluster. It's a big train wreck. So for now, my antennas are running off of extension cables, and I'm hot as hell. So I'm going inside. Next week, I'm gonna be moving my Unraid server to the data center. It's going to run my CRM app, program, whatever. I'm gonna be using Ubiquiti UCRM. So that's gonna handle all my billing and all that stuff. That's gonna go in the data center and run off a VM. I got some other cool stuff I'm gonna do with it. I'll show you guys all that crap next week. So for now, later.